We had a sense of emergency, right?
You know, if you've seen Apollo 13, it's the engineers with the duct tape and the cardboard and the problem, you know, with a crew that are running out of oxygen and you need to solve it.
They said, we've got this. So once we understand what the issue is, we'll work with the business community, private industry, and we will do the work in terms of what's promising in terms of our PPE. So whether it would be masks or whether it would be potential ventilators that we might need, it could be a variety of things.
And we started dreaming up solutions using local companies that could change their manufacturing processes to design things like N95 masks, gowns, face shields, all the things that the health authority was living in fear of running out of in the competition for PPE in the world.
So we would triage the design. We would then turn around to industry and say, okay, who do we have in the region for injection molding? Where are we going to get the material for face shields? Where are we going to get material for gowns? Who is offering gowns? Who is offering face masks? So we started pulling all of this list together.
From my perspective, it was tough to keep up with this team. They have that razor sharp focus. They were extremely committed to meeting the needs of Nova Scotia Health. It was incredible to see that level of commitment.
We just love solving problems, so having an opportunity to say, okay, all limits are kind of off the table here. We're you know, we have a problem, we want to solve it. What are the ways we can solve this problem?
Procuring an N95 mask sounds easy, but when you have to pivot an automotive company to making it from scratch and getting it Health Canada certified, which normally is a multi-year process, and getting it done in weeks, these are monumental challenges. And we probably had 20 different PPEs that had to go through that same process.
And one of the advantages of working with local companies is that we can work together, even in a face-to-face, sitting across a boardroom table, to be able to iterate the design and to make sure that that product serves the needs of our frontline staff and the other people that need that PPE.
During this time, I was proud that regardless how tense it got, regardless how urgent things felt, that the concept of partnership remained really strong.
And we're now looking at, okay, how does this become a permanent fixture? How do we retain this level of capability in the region?
I really hope that it does stick with the group that we've got together, because it allows a much more rapid development of potential solutions. It's a lot of fun too.
When you're able to say Mackenzie Atlantic has got 35 people working full-time making face shields for the Nova Scotia Health Authority, and now they're turning their attention to exporting that, well, that's real. I mean, that's people with jobs, that's money coming into the economy. There are some good stories, and these are good stories, and people need to hear good news stories.